Hi guys, this is Jacob Ringa, and today I will be showing you how to make Colossus from the X-Men. First, you're going to need to put some 2 1x1 studs. Make sure they're red. Then you're going to need standard black pants. I'm sure everyone has this, but I don't know. And then you're going to put a standard black body, then take off the arms, and then put silver arms right over there, and then 2 black hands. Next, you're going to put Titanium Zane's headpiece on him. And then you're going to put Superman's hairpiece. I know he doesn't have this hairpiece in the comics, but I couldn't find the right hairpiece. But if you know what the right hairpiece is, let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching. And don't forget that DC stuff will be coming soon, because I just realized I made only 1 video about DC. So stay tuned for more DC stuff. But this guy is from Marvel, so, well, you probably know what I'm going to say. This is Jacob, signing out.